Past midnight, when about 24 policemen who were led by the circle officer here, DSP rank police personnel, along with 3 sub-inspectors, out of whom at least one was the station house officer of the local police station, actually were moving towards this particular house behind me to raid this particular house, which actually belongs to Vikas Dubey, when they had to stop and alight from their vehicles, because this particular JCB had been parked on the way towards this particular house. The policemen obviously had to get down. They were unaware that the people inside, Vikas Dubey and his henchmen, had prior information of their arrival, and therefore they were prepared, which was why this JCB was parked on the way towards the house, so as not to allow the policemen to directly approach the house on their vehicles. The policemen got down. The henchmen, the associates of Vikas Dubey, had taken vantage positions at on the top of this particular house and various other houses in the vicinity. They had large number of firearms and ammunition to attack the police force which had come in to raid the house. The police definitely perhaps was taken by surprise because of the manner in which the attack happened from this particular side, and therefore the policemen, several of the constables and sub-inspectors, tried to take refuge and also their position with their firearms inside this particular house, but they were chased, and you would see the blood splattered around in this outside this particular house, wherein several of the policemen took positions. The associates of Vikas Dubey entered this household and shot several policemen inside. So you can imagine, the kind of daring with which Vikas Dubey and his associates actually attacked the police party which had come to raid their house. If I can show you, is surrounded by high walls. It's almost like a fortress because Vikas Dubey had been somebody who had a lot of political clout in the area. I would like to take you inside the house and show you how things are here, and how immediately after the attack happened on the police personnel, the associates of Vikas Dubey were able to flee this house, leaving and vacating this particular place, and using the other exit to move away from here, even before the police could get in more reinforcements to tackle these criminals. All of them fled from here. There were about 24 policemen, out of whom 8 were shot dead. Obviously, the rest of the policemen either took refuge in the neighborhood or were waiting for more reinforcements to arrive, and that gave enough time to Vikas Dubey and his associates to flee from here.